Dorchester District 2 could be in a financial hard place as they work on their new budget. Some on the board say an issue could have to do with the addition of new students. News 2 Stetson Miller has more.
Dorchester District 2 is facing a gap in funding its schools. And one of the biggest factors behind this shortfall is that the state isn't paying for their full share of the expenses.
For years, budgeting has been tough in Dorchester District 2.
Out of 81 districts, we are third from the bottom on what we are receiving on a per pupil basis.
District officials say the state is supposed to pay for what's called the base student cost, or the amount of money to spend per student at schools. But a bill in the State House is proposing to give less money to schools than what's required.
The base student cost should be $3,018, and we're being funded at $2,425, which is the same as what we had in the current year.
The state has been giving less than what's required for years. But what's especially a concern for the district now is that there are additional costs to fund this year, like a required $2 million salary step increase.
By law, we also have to give what's called a step increase to our teachers, and how we funded that was through the increase in the base student cost. So if they're not funding the base student costs, we don't have the revenues to cover the mandate.
So the district is urging concerned parents and residents to reach out to their state legislators
and let them know they need to try to fully fund the base student costs. That goes to the school districts, to the classrooms, and they need to quit mandating things that they're not funding.
Now, there is a public input meeting for the DD2 budget. That's on April 11th at 6 p.m. at the district's Adult Learning Center, and that's located at Highway 17A and Orangeburg Road. In Dorchester County, Stetson Miller, Count on 2.